Hi guys, welcome to another MTM video. Today we've got a Vauxhall Insignia with a service vehicle soon light on its dash. On these Vauxhalls, that can basically be another warning light. So what we'll do is scan it and see what we got. Okay, so we've got a fault on cylinder 1 and 4 glow plugs. These can be quite common, so we're going to go ahead and replace the set. So first things first is remove the engine cover. So these are your 4 glow plugs. There's one for each cylinder and there's electrical connections on the top which we have to remove. These just pull off, but be careful because they are plastic and they can be brittle. The top of the glow plugs have a 12mm head, so you'll be able to use a ratchet to get this off. Be careful when undoing these because if they are seized, they do have the potential to snap. But that being said, I would recommend doing this when the engine is relatively warm so the metal is expanded so that it might come out a little bit easier. These serve two functions. One is to actually be a glow plug and the second is to monitor the pressure which is in each cylinder. That pressure moves the internals of the glow plug and that's monitored in the head by a flexible diaphragm. It knows off the tolerances of this diaphragm what the actual pressure is, and if it's outside of that specific tolerance it'll put your light on the dash. So now let's go and replace these plugs. So we want to place these into the same holes that we removed them from, but be careful not to drop them in, as they are quite sensitive, so you want to put them in and start the threads off by hand. Again, using the 12mm you want to tighten these up, but do not go crazy because they are quite fragile. And when you're happy, just pop the electrical connectors back on the top and we'll be able to start the car. Sometimes it'll take multiple starts before the fault logs itself back onto the dash, so just be aware of that when you take them out on test drive. Thanks for watching this week's video guys. That is how we go about replacing the glow plugs on a Vauxhall Insignia. If you like this video, please watch our other ones and give us a like and a subscribe to the channel. Cheers.